Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will presenting our assignment for risk management course. First of all, these are our group member. NURLINA binti AMIR, SYED Muhammad FITRI bin Syed AZMAN ZAINAL ABIDIN, ALYA NABILAH binti Muhammad NAJWA binti Muhammad ARIS, and NURBALKIS ALISHA binti KHAIRUL NIZAM. These are our agenda, beginning with introduction, company background, risk identification, risk analysis, risk mitigation strategies, risk monitoring and control, contingency plan, and conclusion. Now, let's proceed to the first agenda. Introduction. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling potential risks that could affect a business. It helps small business owners minimize losses, make informed decisions, and ensure business sustainability. A proper risk management plan allows entrepreneurs to be better prepared for unexpected challenges. For our group project, we choose to focus on Gula Cakery, especially the Melaka branch. This branch carries 3 unique sub-brands under one company: Malaika for premium desserts, MN Coffee for specialty drinks, and El Ocho for Mexican and comfort food. The business is located at Jalan Kampung Hulu, right next to Masjid Kampung Hulu. It first started operation around 3 years ago with 2 shop lots dedicated to Malaika. Later, they expand by opening a 3rd shop lot, which houses MN Coffee and El Ocho together under one roof. While Gula Cakery outlets in KL and Selangor mostly focus on cakes and desserts, the Melaka outlet offer a more diverse experience, combining food, coffee, and dessert in one location. Because of its beautiful interior and wide variety of offerings, Gula Cakery Melaka was listed as one of the top 15 cake shops in Melaka and has received a strong 4.7 out of 5 rating from more than 2,000 online reviews. We will proceed to the next presenter, which is NURLINA.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NURLINA binti AMIR and I will explain about risk identification and also risk analysis of Gula Cakery Group. First, market risk. This is risk from things outside the business like new competitors or change in customer behavior. For example, if many customers start going to another bakery, the sale might drop. Secondly, strategic risk. This is the risk from making the wrong business decision. For example, opening a new branch in place with no customer. Thirdly is financial risk. This is risk of not having enough money to run business properly. For example, not having enough cash to pay workers or buy ingredients. Last but not least is operational risk. This is the risk from problems in daily work. For example, when an oven breaks or staff don't come to work and it affects their service. Next, we move to the risk analysis of Gula Cakery Group. Gula Cakery Group faces several business risks. First, there is market risk, where customer interest may drop due to strong competition or changing trends. This can reduce sales. Next is cash flow risk, where the company may not have enough money to cover daily costs like ingredient and staff wages. Another issue is the rising cost of imported ingredients such as butter or packaging, which can lower profit. Last but not least is there is operational risk like equipment breakdown. If ovens or chillers stop working, it can delay service and affect customer satisfaction. To reduce this risk, Gula Cakery needs good planning, regular maintenance, and smart financial management.
Welcome to this presentation on risk mitigation strategy for small bakeries with a focus on Gula Cakery Malaika Melaka. Today, I will walk you through effective ways to manage and reduce risk that small bakery businesses commonly face. First, risk avoidance. This strategy involves steering clear of activities that expose the business to high risk. For example, cooler category avoids relying on suppliers with unstable pricing or poor quality, which help prevent sudden cost spikes or ingredient shortage. Additionally, staying updated with market trends like the growing demand for allergen-free products helps avoid misalignments with customer preference. Avoiding outdated or risky product lines also protect the bakery's reputation and profitability. Next is risk reduction. This involves taking proactive steps to minimize the likelihood or impacts of risk. For bakeries, this means implementing strict hygiene and food safety protocols to prevent contamination and foodborne illness. Regular maintenance of ovens, refrigerators, and other equipment reduce the chance of breakdown that could help production. Staff training is also crucial to reduce human errors and maintain consistent product quality. Using digital inventory management system helps avoid stock inaccuracy and last-minute order cancellations. Finally, monitoring customer feedback and market trends allows the bakery to adjust its product offering proactively. The third strategy is risk prevention. This focuses on stopping risks before they happen. For example, enforcing safety measures like proper machine use and pest control prevent accident and contamination. Quality control checkpoints throughout the production processes ensure that only safe, high-quality products reach customers, protecting the bakery's reputation and reducing liability risk. 4 is risk transfer involves shifting financial risk to third parties. Gula Kekri does this by purchasing comprehensive insurance policies that cover property damage, liability, business interruption, and product liability. Additionally, having contracts with reliable and diversified suppliers help share supply chain risks and avoid disruption caused by a single supplier's failure. Finally, risk retention means accepting and preparing for certain manageable risks internally. For example, maintaining cash reserves allows the bakery to handle seasonal cash flow challenges without immediate external funding. While competition and minor operational hiccups are inevitable, being financially prepared and flexible helps the business adapt and survive. Risk identification and assessment. We identify key risks such as food contamination, equipment fire hazards, spoils, and slip or fall through regular assessment. The second is control management. We follow food safety protocol, ensure proper maintain equipment, and train staff to reduce risk and ensure a safe working environment. The third is monitoring review. We conduct regular audit and monitor customer feedback to ensure our safety practices are effective and up to standard. The fourth is training and communication. Employees receive ongoing training in food safety and emergency response. We also encourage open communication to report risk immediately.
Hi, today we are focusing on a vital topic for Malaika, Iloko, and MN Coffee, their contingency plan. It's an essential backup strategy to ensure that they navigate any unexpected challenges smoothly. A contingency plan is simply their backup strategy for managing risk. It guarantees business continuity with minimal disruption, protecting their staff, their customers, and their valuable brand reputation. They have outlined 7 key areas for our preparedness, which is emergency response. Emergency response is clear steps for fires, equipment failures, or health hazards, think safe evacuations, and immediate action. Second, alternative payments, which is backup options like cash when electronic system fail, keeping customers satisfied. Next is temporary staffing, a plan for employee absence, ensuring they always have enough trained team members. Fourth is supply chain backup. Supply chain backup is agreements with multiple suppliers and an emergency inventory for essential items. And next, system backup and recovery is regular data backups and quick recovery for their tech systems. Next is crisis communication, a clear strategy to inform everyone quickly during emergencies. And lastly, is utilities contingency, plans for power or water outage, including backup resources like generators. By implementing this plan, Malacca, Eloko, and MN Coffee will reduce risk, minimize disruptions, and recover quickly. This ensures employee safety, customer satisfaction, and their overall business stability, keeping their quality food and beverage services consistent. This plan will be customized for each outlet's specific needs, including local context and maps. Their goal is simple, is to be prepared for anything. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, this project helped us understand how important risk management is for small businesses like Gula Kekri. We identified key risks such as equipment failure, cash flow issues, and market competition, and applied suitable strategies like insurance, staff, training, and contingency planning. Through this project, we also learned the value of teamwork and how real businesses manage risk in practical ways. Overall, we believe that having a proper risk management plan helps businesses stay prepared, protect their operations, and build long-term success. That's all from us. Thank you.